Hello guys, welcome back to Kenton's kitchen. This is your chef who believes that when you combine good flavors you come up with an extra. Yeah, so today we're going to do a very easy recipe. We're going to do a mayonnaise recipe. Yeah, this mayonnaise is normally used in casseroles, in cabbage salads, in the KFC salads. Yeah, so this is an easy recipe. For ingredients, you're only going to use 1 egg, a lemon. This is my sunflower oil, or you can actually use any oil that is tasteless, and we're going to do this in a blender. I'm going to start off by breaking my egg into the blender. Blend at the highest speed. We blend at the highest speed, and 30 seconds of your blending will matter for you to get a nice consistency. And for my sunflower oil, or for your oil that you're using, you just add small quantities at a time. So at the start I only put my eggs, and for the quantity of the eggs that you're using, you're going to use oil 3 times that, approximately 3 times that. So what I've used from my sunflower oil, that was 500 milliliters. So yeah, I think that is enough for me. And from the sound of the blender, at some point you can hear that the blender was straining, so that means mayonnaise is coming up well. So at this point I'm going to add my lemon juice. This is going to also help in the emulsification. Yeah, I'm going to add 1 full lemon, and this is the smallest size of the lemon. Yeah, this is also going to help in the emulsification. And at this point I'm going to blend at the low speed. I'm also going to add a pinch of salt, just a small amount. You can also add some sugar if you need your mayonnaise to be sweet, yeah, which I'm going to do. I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar, and then I'm going to blend it to highest speed. As you can see, our consistency, this is the right consistency. And let me show you. It looks so nice. This is the right consistency. Yeah, and it's so creamy. So you need your blender. So I'm going to transfer my mayonnaise into a cup. Yeah, you can see the consistency. It's very thick.